Can porn be addicting? Many people wonder whether or not porn can be addicting. Well, the biological reason why anything can be addicting is because it modifies dopamine receptors. And as you saw from the previous lecture, there is evidence that porn can be biologically addicting. But let's look at the components of addiction and see whether or not porn fits into that. There are 6 components of addiction. 1. Your thoughts become dominated by your addiction. And as someone who has recovered from porn, I can tell you that when you're addicted to porn, you're very obsessed with porn. I mean, I could not stop thinking about porn. It was pretty much the only thing on my mind. When I went to sleep, I had pornographic dreams. When I closed my eyes, I saw images of the last porn I fapped to. It was unrelenting. Your mood changes when you succumb to your addiction. If you're angry at yourself after you use a certain thing, or if you feel guilty after using porn, for example, it's an addiction. Each time I relapsed to porn, I felt guilty, I felt angry at myself, and that was a surefire sign that it was an addiction. And if you feel guilty after using pornography, it's a sign that it is an addiction. Number 3. Tolerance. Tolerance essentially means that you need more of it to get the same high. Myself and many other people have progressed from vanilla porn to hardcore porn, which is another proof that porn is an addiction. For withdrawal symptoms. There are actually withdrawal symptoms after porn. After I first quit porn for a longer amount of time, I had jitters, I felt anxious, I craved porn immensely. Those were typical withdrawal symptoms, not unlike those faced by someone with a gambling problem. Number 5. Conflict. Conflict essentially means that your addiction negatively influences your life and you want to stop it but can't. If you feel conflicted about your porn use, that's another sign that it is an addiction and you are in the right place. Number 6. Relapse. If you cannot stop yourself from using a thing and you relapse to it even if you do not want to, that's another sign that you are addicted. So as you can see, porn addiction has all of these. You can relapse, you're conflicted about it, you have withdrawal symptoms, you develop a tolerance for it, your mood changes when you use it, your thoughts are dominated by it. Porn addiction has all of these components, so it is a legitimate addiction.